Wait right there. Got your
I
receipt?
paid for my stuff.
Okay, so let me see your receipt.
Is she the other one?
Yeah.
I didn't
Ma'am.
have a card.
Hold on, please.
Okay.
Yes. I understand. Please stop. Stop.
Y'all doing the most. Can I get my receipt, sir?
Right here.
I'm finna get my receipt. You don't have to touch me.
You're gonna go right there. You're
Okay,
gonna
I'm
go to
finna
jail.
get. Okay. I just came. I'm not with her.
Okay, do you have your receipt or no?
Why do you have to go to your car?
Because I got it on my phone, sir.
Okay, then show me on your phone.
Okay.
Two separate things then.
I don't know what they have going on. They don't have
Two
nothing to
separate
do with
things.
me.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
That's what I'm asking you. If you
I don't know what's going on.
stop and listen to me. If you didn't steal, do you have a receipt?
Yes, I have my receipt.
Where is
but
it?
I'm trying to figure out why he's running after me. I don't even know.
Where
what's
is your
going on.
receipt?
It's in my purse, but I don't even know them.
Let me have your receipt then. I'll get you out of here in 10 seconds.
Why don't you my receipt? I don't even know what's going on. Okay, give me a second. I'll give it to you. Like, what the
Ma'am,
hell?
stop.
I'm gonna give it to you, sir.
Stop and give me the receipt right here.
Please chill out. I'm gonna give it to you.
Stop.
I'm gonna give it to you, sir. What is she doing? Oh, Lord.
6552, give us traffic.
Get down.
You have to do that. I'm telling you, I'm gonna give it to you. Stop. I'm gonna give it.
Stop.
Keep going.
You open me. No.
Stay down. Put your hands behind your back.
Open me.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna give you.
Stop.
I'm gonna give it to you.
Stop.
Bro, y'all doing the most.
Put your hands behind your back now.
I'm gonna give it to you.
You ain't giving no one nothing now.
Damn, y'all doing the most.
We're detaining one now.
Bro, I'm gonna give it to you. Y'all doing too much.
Keep your hands there.
Bro, I'm gonna give y'all the receipt.
Yeah, there's another black female, 23 for description.
I'm gonna give y'all
What's
the
the other
receipt,
one?
sir.
She was over there in a brown dress.
I'm gonna give you the receipt.
We got the one with black pants and a burgundy sweater.
Bro, I'm gonna give y'all the receipt.
Shut up about the receipt. That time is
You're
past.
past the receipt.
I asked you for it.
Yeah, I was trying to give it to you. Sir, you can get your knee out my back.
Stop rolling over there.
And I-
I'm gonna give you the receipt, sir.
I don't know where this one started fighting with me and took off.
No, I was
He
gonna
left
give you
the
the receipt and you
called
grabbed
her.
me.
I don't know where the other one is.
Now, 18 or 19? 65 isn't confirmed yet. We have resisting, possible 31 illegal.
I'm gonna give you the receipt, sir. I'm telling you, I'm gonna give you the receipt.
You don't have 31 in the other one, right?
Nope.
I'm gonna give you the
54 on
receipt.
K9. We do not have charges for
I'm
31
telling
legal.
you.
I'm not sure of the value of the 65 yet.
Can I just sit
You
sit
can't.
up?
Can't.
Please, let me just sit up.
Did we double lock
You got me in handcuffs.
Sit down.
If you run
It's
again,
wet.
you're going to have a lot more problems.
I'm not gonna
You're all
run.
wet.
It's wet.
Yeah, send the EMS for one. She's got a scuff on her elbow. Stop moving. He's double locking them so they don't get tighter.
Stop moving.
Watch the blood.
Oh.
About $800? Okay. And you guys want to prosecute, correct?
Absolutely.
You know where the other one went?
She took off when she started running, so she went off.
Which way?
West side.
Are you okay?
Yeah, just my passes over there.
Receipt, bro.
She was wearing a gray cardigan or sweater. And then she had long black hair. And then
A gray sweater, long black hair.
Yeah.
For the one that's living.
Another one around?
Yeah, she was trying to throw over there, and then I left when she was fighting him.
I wasn't fighting him. I was trying to get him the receipt, but he grabbed me.
Shut up with the receipt.
What you mean, shut up?
Mike, take her to the car.
Put her in the car. Did they leave on her vehicle
Lies.
or in the car?
I don't know. We didn't get a chance to talk to him.
Black Oldsmobile. I don't see where it is. Just from prior incidents, that's the vehicle they would be using.
Bro, I was trying to give him the receipt. As soon as I tried
Why'd
to
you
give
run?
him, because so he tried to grab me, and I was trying to tell him to let me go. I was going to give him the receipt.
All right, you stick to that.
Hey, who needs medical attention?
She might. I scuffed my knuckle a little. I'm good then.
So we got one detained.
One detained, one outstanding.
Hold on, can I breathe? I don't want to be closed down.
Well, we got AC running.
I was literally trying to give him my receipt, and he grabbed me.
Okay, you could have given him the receipt.
That's what I was trying to do, but he grabbed me.
Okay. Like I said, stay to that, okay? You stick to that one. And then you try to run, why?
Because he tried to grab me. What is he grabbing me for? That's what I'm trying to figure out. What is he grabbing me for?
All right, put your feet in. We got the AC running. Yep.
What's hurting?
My elbow and my toe.
Okay.
So that's what? Did you fell or how did that happen?
Because he threw me down.
Oh, were you running away?
No, I was just trying to get the receipt. Yes, I was running because he tried to grab me.
But you ran away.
Yeah, because he was trying to grab me.
Because you didn't stop.
No, you was trying to grab me, and I told you I was trying to get my receipt out my
All right,
purse.
listen, it's all on camera. We're not going to argue about it. Do you need medical attention?
Yeah.
Well,
What's going on? What's bothering you?
My elbow.
Okay.
When he threw me down, like he knocked the wind out of me.
You want to go to the hospital and get checked out?
Yes.
Yes.
just delays the whole booking process. All right.
I was trying to show you my receipt, sir, and you grabbed me.
I'm not arguing with you about what you were trying to do.
So why you
It was all on body
okay,
cam.
Okay.
All right, watch out for a second. Watch your head.
Slides and key over there. So.
I know. Watch your leg. I don't want to slam another one.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Okay, man, so we have a rescue coming for you that'll take you to the hospital, okay? Just got to ask you a couple questions, all right?
I can't breathe.
There was somebody here. I don't know which direction she went. My trainee was talking with her.
Get LP to figure out which way she went.
Yeah.
Because she didn't get that car. So what does she look like?
All I remember is black female because I focused on her.
Oh, any clothing?
He thinks she was wearing all black. I'll try to find out. Yes.
Help me. I can't breathe.
That's the one that's missing.
No, that's the one I fought with. Oh wait, no.
No.
I'm sorry. You're right. You're right.
And can I just get your first and last name?
I can't breathe.
Can you tell me your first and last name, though?
So,
Alright, try to host it.
no.
I got one receipt. He's working on the other one, but I saw something.
Were they together?
Yeah, they always come in together.
Yeah.
We're pushing two separate carts.
You're not able to tell me your name?
Yeah.
It's fine if you don't want to. You can just say, I don't want to tell you. You don't
My
want to tell me?
chest, my chest.
Just say you don't want to tell me. It's fine. That's all I need to hear.
Oh.
So she starts backing up. So I come around the car. I said, "Stop! Show me a receipt." I'm gonna show you a receipt. She kept backing up. I said, "Stop!" So that's when I grabbed her wrist. She pulled away. I grabbed her sweater. It came off, and she took off running. So I ran after her. I'm slow as hell. My trainee caught her. So we got her down, cuffed her, and that's that.
Yeah, no, good work. That was crazy. I've never seen anything like that in my life.
I'm going to walk out of the room.
Sir, these handcuffs is tight on my arm. Ow.
Looks like you're making it.
Ow. Sir,
Oh, I'll check them.
these
I
handcuffs
didn't
is
finish. I'll check them. I'll check them.
Ow. Ow, sir. Would you please check these ankles?
Turn, get back.